All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. We bring you news about crypto, hot stuff, all kinds of things that are going on in the crypto world, Monday through Friday at noon. Saturdays and Sundays, we usually bring you a video on 3 or 4 o'clock. Bonus videos will be Monday through Friday around 7 o'clock. All kinds of good. Today we're talking about Voxie, cryptocurrency, Voxel. A lot of good stuff going on with this. You can actually earn money to play. It has NFTs on it. Sounds like a pretty good platform. Well, the coin's up about 5% in the last 7 days. Down a little bit in the last 24 hours. We're going to dig into that. We're going to go to the website, check it out, look at some of the NFTs. How can you make money playing? And then how can you make money if you're buying the cryptocurrency? Going to talk about that. Then we're also going to talk about Bitcoin. Is this a good inflation? The hedge against inflation. Gold used to be the standard. Now gold is not really running with inflation, but Bitcoin is. Last year to this year, Bitcoin is up 60%, even though Bitcoin is down the last 5 weeks. But from last year, it's up 60%. So all kinds of good stuff we're going to talk about today on this episode. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency. Even if you're playing the video games and you're earning your cryptocurrency that way, one day even own some cryptocurrency. That's what Voxel and Voxie talks about, is that you really get to keep your cryptocurrency NFTs when you win them on their game. So with that, let's head over to Voxies. So right here at 2,800, Voxies. Voxel is the actual ticker, VOXEL. Take a look to the right here. It's up 5% in the last 7 days, but it is down 15% in the last 24 hours. This cryptocurrency is being traded at $2.65, right there. Jumping over here to the actual coin market cap. Again, the coin is down about 11-12% in the last 24 hours. Now, there's been a launch on the Binance. So Voxel will be the next big Binance Launchpad. Use the power of Voxie Tacticals and provide utilities and functionality to our players. This is only the beginning, so take a look at that. Voxies are on Binance. Yeah. Woo! Go Voxies. Now, tell me about this game here. So here we are at the website, Voxies, the game Voxie Tacticals. Insanely addictive and a deep strategic turn-based tactical game that can exchange through playing with your own Voxies from an NFT project. Collect, battle, and earn in Voxie Tactical. Some of the game highlights: deep strategies and tactical role-playing battles. Now listen to this. Turn-based combat that will challenge your tactical skills to the limit. Easy to get in, but very hard to master. So for all you gamers out there, I mean, this sounds like a pretty cool platform because it's easy to get in, but it's going to be hard to master, but you actually win cryptocurrency? What's the next step here? Huge variety and endless battles combinations, 10 different races, and over 20 unique class names to master, each with unique skills and abilities that each brings something different to the battlefield. So, oh my gosh, there's a pretty cool thing. Seamless integrate with the Voxies NFT. Bring your unique Voxies in the life of Voxie Tactical and play with your own digital asset. Oh boy. Free to play and play to earn. Now this is the big thing. Doesn't cost you nothing to play, but you can earn cryptocurrency. You can earn Voxie tokens and item NFTs in this game, and you will have a full ownership of your assets. Each weapon and item NFT directly into your game as you play. It says earn weapons and items and NFTs directly into the game as you play. Explore the world of Voxie Tactical. Cute collectible pets. Pets are collectible in Voxie Tactical and have been added utilities in both battles and exploration mode. So far it sounds pretty good here. You can earn while you play. You play for free. You can earn NFTs, you can earn weapons, it gets put into your gaming thing. What is the world coming to? But that's okay. If you're into gaming, get some. We always talk about buying the coin, staking the coin, getting the coin back from BlockFi credit card. You earn it from BlockFi with a reward. So the people that don't want to buy cryptocurrency, you can swipe the card and at your Chipotle's or your grocery store and you get the rewards back in Bitcoin. Well, that's a cryptocurrency you're getting back in rewards. Here you go. You can play and earn. Pretty freaking cool. Back over here at Coin Market Cap, $2.66 for this coin, Voxies. Take a look in the last 7 days what this token has been doing. So this token was down at $2.32, and it's just kind of been going up the mountain, go, 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 go. So again, the token is going to basically fluctuate. So be careful when you're buying the coin. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. But as more and more people are playing this game, it's going to get more popular. Let's see what it says. Voxie is a free-to-play 3D turn-based tactical RPG game on the blockchain. The main gameplay of Voxies is similar to the traditional RPG's tactical game, but it is powered by the blockchain technology, and the ownership is central to the core concept of the game. As a team-based tactical game, players can control multiple characters in the game, and each character can represent by a Voxie. They are directly owned as NFTs or provided by the game for free-to-play players. Players do not require any experience in cryptocurrency to play the game. That's pretty big. You don't have to have any experience in cryptocurrencies to play. Just go out and play to earn Voxie tokens through their game activity. Voxies will be able to have greater player adoption as players do not require any capital to get started. Voxies in the game mechanics. The marketplace, the equipment crafting, the PvP battles will all be the primary demand for the Voxel tokens. Voxel is Voxie's native utility token that would be used as currency inside the Voxie tactical game. So the Voxies are the tokens inside the game for the all-in-game functionality, such as purchasing new weapons, armor for items used in the game. Voxel tokens can be also earned by playing the game and doing certain tasks. For example, after each battle, you will be rewarded with Voxel tokens and a potentially rarer NFT item rewards. Depending on your success on the battle, exploration mode will also present ways to find and collect Voxel tokens. Helping out NPCs in the world and completing quests for them is another way to potentially earn rewards, Voxel tokens. Holy cow, a lot of awesome stuff. Go learn and play and have some fun. Get some NFTs today. All right, we're going to come back to our price prediction on this token in a little bit. So they're talking about hedging against inflation. Well, it used to be the gold was the standard, but you're just not hearing a lot of people talking about gold right now. But Bitcoin, yeah, I know in the last 5 weeks it has slid down a little bit. But what has it done since last year? Last year was 29,500. It's over 60% up since last year. So there's people saying that now you can get digital gold as hedging against inflation. And digital gold is what they're coining Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and jump over to the article. Right here, should I buy digital gold for inflation? Bitcoin shares some key characteristics with gold that can make it a solid inflation hedge depending on your time frame. This is a difficult situation for stocks right now. Companies are quickly becoming passed along higher costs to consumers. So inflation headlines tend to spook the market. This leaves us with two choices. Watch inflation take us for a toll on our investments or on our credit card bills, or buy assets that will keep us ahead of inflation. So what are the assets that they're talking about? Yep, that right. This market environment, your dad and your grandpa might be saying start buying gold, but younger investors, however, are looking at, you know it, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is what people are talking about. Grandma and grandpa may be talking about, or your granddad, about gold, but we're talking about Bitcoin, which shares some key characteristics with gold. In fact, it may actually be better inflation hedge. This is very interesting. The Federal Reserve did not weigh in Bitcoin on the regards to inflation. Here's something that's interesting as an investment. The most useful to think about Bitcoin is its common nickname, the digital gold, to be a limited supply of 21 million. 90% has already been mined, and gold about 80% in the reserves. You remember those ads when things were in crisis? It would say sell your gold in time of economic crisis. Well, you don't see any of those ads right now, do you? And here's what they kind of say. Now, Bitcoin can go up 50% in your favor or against you in a blink of the eye, but in every year, Bitcoin makes all its gains in about 10 days. And if you don't own the Bitcoin in those 10 days, you're going to be down about 25% for the year. So key thing is Bitcoin could be a nice digital gold, but digital gold, do you think you should have some digital gold to hedge against inflation? So give us your thoughts in the bottom here. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So digital gold, hedge against inflation, Bitcoin. Maybe you replace Bitcoin with Solana. Maybe you replace it with Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. So I guess the concept digital gold. I know Bitcoin is getting they're saying is digital gold, but since there's so many cryptocurrencies that people are liking and stuff like that, maybe depending on which cryptocurrency is your flavor of the week or whatever, maybe it's Dogecoin, maybe it's Doge on Mars, maybe it's Polkadot, maybe it's Avalanche. What is the cryptocurrency that you're going to put in there to hedge against inflation? All right, let's head back over to Voxies. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. This token is being traded at $2.64, which you all been waiting for is our price prediction. Well, I'm going to just do some common stuff here. Take a look here. This coin went all the way up to $4.58 in December. $4.23 in December. It's $2.64. I think this coin can easily get to $3 to $3.50 in the next month, by the end of the quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only, but as more and more people start to play the game and earn the NFTs and earn different weapons and everything else, and they really get to keep their cryptocurrency and keep it, this is going to be a pretty good Voxie. Let's do it. So again, right here, Voxie's down about 14% in the last 24 hours. Could be a good time to get in to buy the dip. Give us your thoughts on that. Just want to cover the top 10 here. Number 10, Luna, is actually up 15% in the last 7 days, which is fantastic. Luna is also up 5%, 6% in the last 24 hours. Avalanche has jumped back gigantically, 35% bounce back in the last 7 days, trading at $114. XRP is down about 2% up in the last 24 hours. Cardano is basically down 4% in the last 7 days. Solana, number 5, is trading at $181, up about 6% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at number 3, down 5% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is slightly under 4,000. And Bitcoin is at 46.7. So free to play, earn some cryptocurrency today. Voxie or Voxel, give us your thoughts. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. All kinds of good things going on. This is a bonus video today on Saturday. What are your thoughts? Are you going to buy the cryptocurrency? Are you going to play to earn the cryptocurrency? Are you going to use that BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in cryptocurrency? All kinds of good stuff here on Frank's Crypto Corner. Hey everybody, have a fantastic Saturday night.